Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is Sunday, March 27th. It's the 86th day of the year, and there are 279 days left. I didn't get too many suggestions for a middle name for Mocha, but this is what she looked like when she found out her middle name is Latte. So this is Miss Mocha Latte. For some of our programs, the teen department for their DIY on the 28th, they're baking macaroons. That sounds really yummy. And on the 31st is trivia night. Both these programs are from 6 to 8 in the community room, and registration is required. And then on April 4th, for the very first time, Miss Myra is back. And she's going to be doing family story time. And it will be from 6:30 to 7. And there will be stories, Spanish vocabulary, and crafts. So be sure and come and welcome her back. Now, registration is preferred, but if you're walking in and there's room, they'll let you come in. Take it, make it for April are these cute little marbled Easter eggs. Now, Leslie will have packets available at the circulation desk so that you can make these cute little marbled eggs. They're made with plastic eggs and fingernail polish. Kind of cute, aren't they? I think they're really adorable. I'm going to have to try these. Now, another adult program that we're having is on April 6th from 5:30 to 6:30 in the community room, and it is on buying or selling a home in today's market. Alex Cordova will be presenting, and it is a free workshop, but you will need to register. And there will be a Spanish workshop on April 13th for the same thing, and I'll give more details next time. April is Library Snapshot Month. So I'm going to give you a little snapshot of some of the things that are available here in our library. In the children's department, we have these really cool launch pads. What they are preloaded tablets that have educational programs on it and games. And I've even played a couple of them. They're fun. And then we have playaways, and a playaway is a preloaded audiobook. Now, Children's has a very good collection, and there are some in the adult department and in the teen department. We also have music CDs. They have quite a few different types of music CDs, some for little kids and some for a little older. And of course, there are music CDs in the adult and teen department, uh, like this country western, jazz, rock and roll, classical, all kinds like that. And then they have in children's kits, they have the printed book and the book on CD so that you can listen to the book while you're reading it, which is a good way for kids to learn how to read. And then in all three departments, we have games. We have the Nintendo Switch, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 3. And then, of course, we have the DVDs and Blu-rays, which we have quite a collection of those. And those are always fun to watch. And, of course, there's the binge boxes, which have several movies on, so you can binge all weekend long. And then in all three departments, we also have audiobooks on CD. So come in during Library Week, which is the first week of April, and see what all we have. And bring a friend who doesn't have a card and get them signed up. Friday is April Fool's Day, so let's not have any tomfoolery, okay? April Fools. Okay, so for now, here's Mary signing off. See you in a couple of weeks.